Hey guys, Paul Colomar here, and today we're going to be talking about what happened to the stock market yesterday. The Dow dropped 700 points, S&P 500 dropped 2.5%, just overall very bearish red day. And today we'll be going over why that happened, what news caused that to happen. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then I'd appreciate if you'd like it and subscribe for more content like this. So let's get into it. So we're really just going to hit on the important news, see how that affected the market, and what we could learn from this. So the first piece of news that really impacted the market was the resurgence in coronavirus cases all throughout the US and worldwide. This is threatening to the economy because if the coronavirus gets severe again, then we will have to undergo a complete economic shutdown, as was the case in March and April. So that's just not a good sign. That's very, very bearish. And at this time, I'd just like to express my opinion. Just wear your masks, guys. Make sure you're 6 feet apart from people. Like, it's been shown that that's what you're supposed to do. So just do it. Even if you're not doing it for yourself, do it for your community. Do it for your loved one.
Do it! Just do it!
Another piece of important news that hit the market today is that Biden is beating Trump in the polls, and that's bearish for the market because Biden has promised to raise corporate tax rates, and that's just an overall not good news for the economy and the market. So those are the two primary driving factors for the S&P 500 dropping 2.5% and the Dow dropping 700 points. But this gave us an overall reddish day, and this is probably gonna give us a bearish week, very bearish trend for the week. And I foresee it continuing to be bearish for this entire week unless the Fed starts pumping money into the market, like a lot of money. But unless that happens, it's probably going to be a red week. And right now, we're returning to somewhat normal stock trading activity since the start of March, because there's been crazy bull runs, there's been crazy drops, and a lot of new traders aren't even familiar that the stock market has so much variability, because so many traders have only seen the stock market go up for 2 months straight, and that's really something shocking that happens very rarely. So this is an opportunity for many new traders to learn that stocks don't only go up. You need to also look into the news, see what's affecting the market, and take advantage of it, really. The first person to know the news will know where the market will go. But anyways, that's the video for today. And if you guys enjoyed it, then drop a like. And if you want to see more content like this, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe. Thanks.